Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy a domain name and how we first you gotta click on Cloudflare system and then you enter your login credentials and then you gotta add a website and then you have to set the DNS setting here from here and then you gotta buy from domain from whatever you want to. From my case I got domain from GoDaddy.com and then you get enter your credential and you can just completely, it's a very simple step, and then you gotta come back again on the DNS server of the Cloudflare. You enter the credential. This is my hosting from the hostingers, and yeah, and you get a type of the plugin and you want to. And then if you got a new website, you get a new website. If you don't want, just you click on next. Then you install the WordPress, and then you have to give some email password, and then if you get, I got already one domain, so just I'm going to use that existing one. So whatever you want to install from here you can do that, and here you can choose the theme whatever you want to, and yeah, and then you can just write the brand name and some descriptions here, and then it's again ask you to buy a domain or use an existing one. In my case I'm using the existing one, so here it is focusdeutschland.com, and here are the name servers which you require to change, but I already did the changes, so I'm not gonna do any changes here. But here is this installation process. Its installation is almost done, and yeah, and then now you can edit your website from here, and you can go to the control panel. Here is the dashboard of the WordPress which is successfully installed, and thank you.